Hi, my name is Marcus Wareing and I want to demonstrate one of my recipes out of my new cookbook, Nutmeg Custard. Here we go. Packet popcorn I bought from the supermarket. On high. And here we go. Again, you can use other types of ham. You can use the sandwich ham that you've got in the fridge, whatever it takes your fancy. Put it down. Salami is a really good one. Recipes like this are good fun. You can adapt them. You don't necessarily need to follow it to the T. If you don't like ham, put something that you do like. Today I decided I wanted a little bit of butter. Shake it around. I haven't put any salt into this recipe because the parmesan, a bit of butter, the saltiness of the ham is more than enough. Mix that around. Just trying to absorb or mix all of the butter into the popcorn. Bring in your presentation bowl. Put in the ham. Some of the ham on top. It's a real fabulous, very simple dish to do. A little bit more parmesan on top, gives it that beautiful finished touch. Nice. Popcorn, a little bit different, but yet incredibly simple, and I think has an amazing wow factor. There we go.